Attract what you want. The number one key to attracting and manifesting what you want is to cultivate the feeling you want to experience. As you begin to embody these affirmations and believe them, you will start attracting what you want. Infuse them with lots and lots of positive emotions. They shall feel good on a core level. Imagine yourself as already having what you want. How do you feel at that moment? Take that feeling and apply it to your affirmation. Not only will this help build belief, but it will also help override any negativity that might surround your desire. Listen to these affirmations for 21 days, and you will experience the miraculous in every area of your life. Today, I let my light shine. I express my unique creativity and am successful in everything I do. I welcome and enthusiastically accept unlimited abundance. I will build a new me by focusing on my dreams and going after them. My financial abundance overflows today. My goals empower me to become all I was meant to be. Through a feeling of gratitude, I place myself in alignment with all the riches of the universe. I feed my dreams a steady diet of hard work and determination and watch them manifest in my life. I know that my greatest goals are achievable. I know that every dream is reachable. My faith in God sets me free from all worry, anxiety, and doubt. I release all anxiety, doubt, worry, fear to the power within me, and I am filled with love, peace, and joy. The presence of joy is in my heart, releases an abundance of good in my life. Practice, patience, and persistence assure my success. My life is a positive reflection of my thoughts. I expect lavish miracles and blessings to unfold in my life today. I am grateful. I was destined to be prosperous. I have abundance to share and to spare. I have faith that I am being guided in ways that bring amazing results. I filled my mind with the idea of abundance, and abundance manifests in all my affairs. Abundance surrounds me. Today, I claim my share. I choose exactly what I want in life. Develop the consciousness of those choices, and they appear. My inner wisdom guides me to make right decisions and to take steps necessary to achieve my aspirations. I do not concern myself with any negative appearances. I live my life knowing that my prayers are already answered. I choose goals that reflect what I want most in my life. Bountiful miracles and blessings manifest in my life. I deserve the best and accept it now. Abundance is limited only by my unconsciousness. My prosperity thoughts create my prosperous world. All that I have ever given is being returned to me in many forms. My life is filled with an abundance of good. With God's guidance, my life is filled with joyous successes and rich abundance. I release all feelings of lack and limitation and joyfully accept blessings of joy and abundance. Today is rich with opportunities, and I open my heart to receive them. I think of the things I want, and I see them as already accomplished. Money flows freely and abundantly in my life. Abundance is mine. I give thanks for the unlimited flow of good into my life. Wonderful things happen to me because I live with an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude moves me from the perceptions of lack to manifestations of abundance in all facets of my life. I am worthy of all that my heart desires. It is my divine heritage. I am infused with a spirit of excess. Today, I give my life to my goals and dreams. I create my own security. In this moment, I ask for what I need, knowing that God responds throughout the day. I remember that God is my source. I manifest my goals at the perfect time. I am the source of my abundance. God is the source of my abundance. I focus on what I love and thus draw it to me. My thoughts are loving and positive. My choices and possibilities are expanding every day. I love and trust my imagination. I am an unlimited being. I create anything I want. I picture abundance for myself and others. I live in an abundant universe. I always have everything I need. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And so it is.